Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I want to show you a really cool text-to-speech software that I recently found and recently bought. So yeah, I needed a text-to-speech AI software that generate text or generate speech and MP3 files from text. When I enter text, that the AI software will generate a really cool speech files, audio files, and so I went to Google and I searched on Google what is the best text-to-speech software, and then you will get a ton of different softwares, but the main problem is with these softwares, they are all paid monthly, so you have to subscribe and pay monthly for the software to use them. And I saw that they don't offer that much function and that much options inside the software. And then I came around a really cool software where you have to pay once. So yeah, of course, this is a paid tool, but you only have to pay once. So the software is around $100 and I think this is pretty fair when you have when you can use it as many times as you want per day, and you can produce as many files as you want per day. Offers you a ton of features, and this is what I want to show you today. So let me show you the software. So this little dude I made with AI, so I think this dude is really cool. So then let me show you the software, and yeah, this is the software. And here you can see you will get a ton of different voices. Here you can see Billy. Billy I like the most. Let me show you. You can preview every voice. Let me show you this.
Hi, I'm Billy. I am a native English speaker.
Or here you can see a kid's voice, for example.
I'm Owen. I am a native English.
Or female voices.
Hi,
and
I'm Summer. I am a native.
And you can adjust the tone, the AI tone. Here you can see normal tone, friendly tone, serious tone, and also here you can see the normal voices and the pro version. So I also bought the pro version. So the normal version is I think $40 or $50, and then you can upgrade to a pro version, and I think the pro version is pretty worth it. Then here you can see you get a ton of different voices, and you can adjust every voice. Every voice is really cool, and also the language. They have every language you can imagine. So they have English and my language German. Here is my language German, and and the voices are really cool. And then here you can see here you can put in the text. You will get 20,000 characters, and you can input 20,000 characters, for example, and then they will generate the AI voices from this, and you can adjust everything. And for example, here you can see the text-to-speech I recently generated. So I generated more, but then I deleted them, and you can break it down in different sections, and then you can merge them together. So when you you don't have all the separate MP3 files, you can this is for a different YouTube channel, and also I need this tool for my own company to generate some advertising, and this is for a different YouTube channel. So, but I don't want to reveal this channel here, and then you can merge them together. You can see I made separate text files or separate MP3s, and then I merged them together. So, and I want to show you, you can see merge and delete and move to campaign. You can generate different campaigns. So for now I will delete them. I want to delete them. Okay, perfect. And in this tool you have here, you can see this is the AI tool or the text-to-speech tool. I will put the link to this tool in the video description so you can check it out. You have you can also add background music. Here are some tips to make money with the AI tool. Then you have training videos. Here you can make thumbnails and lingo blast. I don't even know what this is, and I don't even know what this is. So I think the price of $100 is really fair for this tool. And now I want to show you how this works, how this sounds. So like I said, I really like the Billy voice, and also you can play around with the pro voices and the standard engine and the AI engine and normal tone, friendly tone. And for this test I made a little document, and I want to show you how this works. So let me copy this, and then we paste the text in here. So here's the text, and then you can adjust the speech, add pause into the speech, and also you can do this, then the AI will make a pause in the speech. So then you can click on preview voiceover, or you can directly generate voiceover. So you don't have any limits. You can produce as much text to speech as you want. You can make 1 or you can make 1,000 text to speech, and this is really cool because you pay once and then you can use it as many times as you want. So let me click on generate voice, and it's really fast. So it's already generated, and then you can download or play. So let me play this.
Hey there, digital explorers. Welcome to Digital Insight, your go-to YouTube channel for everything WordPress, web design, SEO, and digital marketing. If you're into learning cool tips and tricks about web design, digital marketing, and more, you've landed in the right spot. Today, we're diving into an exciting tool that turns text into lifelike speech. Stick around to hear how it sounds.
Pretty cool, huh? And then let's grab the next text. Let's delete this, let's put it in here, and then I will generate this real quick. So okay, and here's the next, so play.
Now, if you're enjoying what you see and want to support the channel, here's what you can do. Smash that like button as if you're giving it a high five. Drop a comment below telling us what you think about today's demo, or share your favorite tech tip. And don't forget to subscribe to Digital Insight so you never miss out on our latest and greatest content.
And also here you can add background music. They have a ton of background music, so you have, I think, 1,000 and more different background musics. This is really cool. Then, but I like to do it in the editing software on my Mac here. Let me close this and let's grab another one. And then I want to show you how you can merge them together. Let's delete this. Let's put this in here. Let's click on generate. It's already generated. Let's play this.
Before you go, remember, your feedback helps us grow and bring you even more awesome content. So, hit that bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for tuning in to Digital Insight, where tech meets entertainment. See you in the next video.
Perfect. And so the robot says what you have to do. Subscribe to the channel and press the like button. And so then let's select all. And now we can press on merge selected, and here you can see all the files we have. You can move them around. You can see also a little help text here. Start with the topmost item, and then you can drag and drop them around. So then let's press on merge files, and now we have to give this a name. So test. Okay. And here's the merged file. So then, the program merged them together, and let's click on play here.
Hey there, digital explorers. Welcome to Digital Insight, your go-to YouTube channel for everything WordPress, web design, SEO, and digital marketing.
Yeah, and this tool is really cool. And so when you compare it to different other tools,
Today, we're diving into an exciting
the first reason why I like this tool the most is because you
have
to pay only once, and then you can use it as long as you want for a lifetime. You will get
if you're giving it a high five.
You will get all the other tools inside the software,
or share your favorite tech tip. And don't forget to subscribe to Digital Insight so you never miss out on our latest and greatest content. Before you go, remember, your feedback helps us grow and bring you even more.
And so on and so forth. So yeah, and like I said, and also the other tools, the thumbnail blaster. You can create thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Yeah, and then yeah, you can start making YouTube videos without your face, for example, or you can use it to make some advertisement. I use this tool also to make advertisements for my own company, and also yeah, I have another YouTube channel or a faceless YouTube channel where I do everything, the voices with this AI tool, and this is really cool. Yeah, here you can see all the different voices, and this is the tool. So let me show you. Yeah, here you can see this is $47 US for the normal version, and if you want to upgrade to the pro version like I did, so you will get also these all the other voices and thumbnail blaster, and I don't even know, captionizer, lingo blaster, and you will get all yeah, all the tools, and you will get all the background music, and yeah, you have to pay once, and then you can yeah, I think this is the best AI voiceover or AI text-to-speech software out there. So yeah, I think that's it for the video. So I will put the link to this tool in the video description down below, and yeah, so let me know in the comments down below, do you have any other good recommendation for AI tools? Do you use this already? Are you planning to buy an AI text-to-speech tool and to create, for example, a faceless YouTube channel, or if you need it for some advertisement for your company or whatever? And yeah, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I think that's it for the video. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. All the links are in the video description, and yeah, that's it for the video. So if you found the video informative, if you learned something in the video, something new, then please press the thumbs up button, and yeah, so then also subscribe to the YouTube channel. And so that's it for the video. So then thank you very much for your time, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.